Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk money. Specifically, let's talk about Chime. You know, that online bank everyone's been buzzing about? Yeah, that one. So, you've probably heard all the good stuff about Chime, no fees, early direct deposit, the whole 9 yards. But there's one question that keeps popping up. How much money can you actually deposit into a Chime account? I mean, it's a legit question. You don't want to hit a deposit limit out of nowhere, right? So, let's dive in and figure this out together. First things first, let's talk about the different ways you can deposit money into your Chime account. We're looking at three main methods here: direct deposit, mobile check deposit, and cash deposits. Direct deposit is probably the most common way people fund their Chime accounts. It's when your employer or whoever owes you money sends it straight into your account. The beauty of direct deposit is that there's usually no limit. You get paid, the money goes in. Simple. Now, let's talk about mobile check deposit. This is where things get a little more interesting. Chime allows you to deposit checks using your phone. Pretty cool, right? But there's a catch, or rather, a limit. You can usually deposit up to $2,000 per check and up to $10,000 in total checks each month. But hold on, it gets a bit more complicated. Chime sets these limits based on your account history, how long you've had the account, and other factors. So, your limit might be different from your friends. And then we have cash deposits. You can deposit cash into your Chime account at certain retail locations, like Walgreens. This is a good option if you have cash on hand and need to get it into your account quickly. But again, there are limits. You can usually deposit up to $1,000 per day and up to $10,000 per month. So, to recap. Direct deposit, generally no limit. Mobile check deposit, up to $2,000 per check, up to $10,000 per month, but this can vary. Cash deposits, up to $1,000 per day, up to $10,000 per month. But wait, there's one more thing to consider. Even if you can deposit a certain amount, it doesn't necessarily mean that amount will be available to you immediately. Chime, like most banks, has hold times on deposits. This means that the money might be in your account, but you can't spend it right away. So, while Chime is great for many reasons, it's important to be aware of the deposit limits and hold times. Understanding these can help you manage your money effectively and avoid any surprises. Alright, that's a wrap. We've covered the basics of how much money you can deposit into a Chime account. Remember, these limits can change, so it's always a good idea to check Chime's website or app for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Peace out.